Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. So glad you're here because I want you to keep me company as I tidy the home. Now I'm not cleaning, and now cleaning to me is like scrubbing and, you know, you're getting all the tools out to spray things and really wipe and like deep clean. No, I am going to just tidy my home today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And tidying is loving your home. You're picking things up, moving them to the spots they need to be, straightening things up. We're just tidying. So come along with me as I tidy my home. If you'd like to join me, aprons on, let's go. And I'm gonna look really weird because I've got this like bulky sweater with my apron on, and it's just not working, but I don't care. When the apron's off, it's super cute. So I'm gonna look well, I'm already fat, whatever. I'm gonna look fat, frumpy, and I don't know, fantastic. looking good. The home is tidy. That game is out because when the kids get home from school, we're gonna play a game. And so the house is picked up. It is all picked up. So when they come home, it's gonna feel so good. They got their puppy waiting for them. And I tidied the kitchen. Is it perfect? No. Do I have some dishes that need to get done? Yes. But I'm gonna be starting dinner soon. I like to cook in the lull of the day. So these will get all washed up as I'm cooking dinner. But for the most part, look at my kitchen, look at my counters. There's no clutter. And it feels good. It feels so good. I have to get out my table runner and iron it and put it out. But the house feels wonderful. So the kids will come home from school. It'll be calming and soothing for them. All right, let's talk about tidying for a minute. There's a difference between tidy and cleaning, and let's throw in decluttering. So going through my house, I was just picking things up, putting them in their homes. And now it's like, whew, it's clean. I did wipe off the counter. There was crumbs from breakfast and wiped off the table and everything, but it's picked up. Do I still have dishes in my sink? And like I said, I'm gonna get to them. But for the most part, if I got a knock at the door, the house is picked up. But if you remember from my video on who you're doing it for, like chaos syndrome, I picked up my house not for company, but for my family. For when my kids walk through the door, it's calming in here because I know they probably had a crazy day at school, everything that battles them at school. And so it's gonna be nice and calm in here. And yeah, so now here's the thing with me, because I get easily distracted and I can move on to the next project. As I was like tidying the kitchen, I noticed that my stove needs to be cleaned. I'm like, okay, no, Kimmy, like I thought I'm gonna scrub my stove. And it's like, no, we're tidying. I will get to the stove. I'm about to cook dinner. It's gonna get clean. Let's not jump ahead, So look at your spots. What can you tidy and put away? Now, if your house is like exploded, which all of ours do at some time, just pick up what you can so it feels calm if your family comes in. So like I wanted to scrub the dishes. I'm like, no, tidy, be done with tidying. I wanted to scrub the stove. No, we're just tidying. And so I did put the shoes away. I did declutter the shoes and put them away because I didn't want all the shoes to keep falling out of the basket. So I did tidy that. But it's easy to all of a sudden get into a decluttering project. Like when I was putting stuff away in the drawer here, here is all like our pencils and crayons and tape. It is blown out of control. I wanted to hurry and declutter and organize that. And it's like, no, I'm not working on that right now. I gave myself a time limit. We're tidying up our living spaces. So it's easy to get distracted, but just focus on tidying. So, and I did it and it feels good. So now I'm gonna work on dinner now that it's the lull of the day, and my dishes will get done and my stove will get scrubbed. So all is well. All right, guys, if you need help with this, set a timer. Timers are so motivating. I love using timers. I've had quite a few videos that I've challenged myself with timers. If you'd like to see those, I'll leave them down below for you. So, all right, guys, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day. Of course, leave your comments, suggestions, anything. How's your day going? Leave it down below, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Can you help me, Paige? Can you carry some of these for me? Can you do that yet? Can you just... Thank goodness you don't wear shoes.